This is part 2, how to secure our DNS. So, Cybersecurity, Network and Cybersecurity Clinic, presented by Mohammed Wassami. This is a practical demo following my previous video listed below. You can watch it before this demo. That video was nothing but this: DNS security. Why 80% of malware uses DNS for command and control, C2. DNS exploitation explained. That is the video. So here I am demonstrating how to interrogate and show DNS forensic. Okay, so advanced PowerShell DNS interrogation, 20 expert level commands and techniques. So what are the key metrics the 20 CLI contain and how they help us interrogate DNS record? So here, as you can see, we got query DNS record, such as A record, a quad record, CNAME record, MX record, TX record, pointer record, or PTR record, and etc. Let me just explain simply what each text or each letter meant here. So for example, A record, which is the first one. A record shows the IP version 4 address of a domain. Quad record shows the IP version 6 address of a domain. CNAME record shows the canonical true domain name that another domain name aliases to. MX record, this shows the email server responsible for receiving the email for the domain. Text record, this shows the text data, often used for verification and security, for example, anti-spoofing, or for example, SPF or DKIM. This is a tool or a secure email where you literally secure your emails. Pointer record shows the domain name linked to an IP address, reverse lookup. Alright, so PowerShell commands for DNS interrogation and analysis. What are they? So let's view one by one. Number one, DNS, get DNS client cache. View all DNS client cache entries. Alright, if you want to get rid of clear where you just displayed, clear DNS client cache. Alright, here how to demonstrate and display a record, MX record, and CNAME record. And here the first A record we demonstrated, and we have shown how to display Google A record. Right? That means the IP address of a domain. And the second one, we have shown Google as well, how to demonstrate MX record, the server that sends the email. Okay, the last one, we also showing Google as well. So all of them, we're showing A record, MX record, and a CNAME, and they all Google. Great. If you really want to go further, you can also demonstrate how to display specific server, a record for a specific server. And here we want to see what Microsoft.com resolves to, and these are the IP addresses. All right. If you want to perform a full DNS dump record, all types, just type resolve DNS name example.com. That means your domain name, type any. So that means you will see everything, all right, in front of you. Great. So for example, I wanted to repeat something I've already said. So how do we display a pointer record for Microsoft, for Google, and also for LinkedIn? And this is how you can display all of them. This is Microsoft, this is Google, and this is LinkedIn. Great. Perform reverse DNS lookup. Excellent. Get DNS client server address. View primary DNS servers configurations on all NICs all network interface cards. Great. View DNS suffix search list. Get DNS client global setting .suffix search list. This is how you display entire DNS suffix list. Excellent. Now, if you want to add a DNS server to a network adapter, this is how you do it. Okay, number 10. Get DNS client. View full DNS client configuration. Alright, list all DNS zones. This is how you get DNS zone my Azure server.microsoft. Great, or my server 1 if you really want it. Next, list all DNS record in a zone. This is how you type this command onto the PowerShell. Excellent. Query specific DNS server record type in a zone. This is how you type, or this is what you type onto a PowerShell. Okay, how you create a new DNS record. This is how you do it. All right, through the PowerShell. Okay, but remove what you just created. All right, or remove a domain or a record or or a DNS record using PowerShell, and this is the command allows you to perform that, your duty. Great, excellent. Get DNS surface statistics. View all DNS surface statistics, or get DNS statistics dash computer name server 1. This is how you're gonna see what is behind these walls. Okay, great. View DNS query resolution policy. Now, I warn you, some of these commands might not work if you have not set up things the way they should be set up or designed. Okay, great. Get DNS server. This is number 18. This is maybe one of the powerful sort of similar. Okay, DOM full DNS server configuration. Some command may not work if settings are not available on your system. Great. Now, number 19, how you basically display a DNS server and give the IP address, what's called recursive DNS. This is how you type. How you test DNS server, all right, on this specific IP address, which means is DNS token on the server. This is how you get it. Port 53 is the DNS port. Number 20, export DNS zone to a file. This is how you type this command under PowerShell. Okay, bonus, very advanced. You can also try some of these commands as well. Okay, mass DNS. Okay, brute force with word list. This is how you get this stuff. All right. I hope this has been very informative. So stay tuned, stay learning, and stay watching.